Why protein matters. There are 3 macronutrients that build our diet: carbohydrates, fats and protein. We need the right balance of all 3 of these, as well as the micronutrients that include vitamins, minerals and phytochemicals, for good health. It is important that we do not overlook any of the macronutrients or that any one entire food group be wholly eliminated. We need healthy, complex carbohydrates and healthy fats. We need the right proteins in the right amounts for a number of reasons. Why is protein so important? How much does the average person really need? Is there any truth to the long-standing myths? Is there really such a thing as too much protein, and is there a perfect protein source? Why protein is so important. Protein is vital to every single cell in the body and plays a large role in a number of the functions of life. It even has a role in the central nervous system, as it is used to make the neurotransmitters which carry nerve signals from place to place in the body. Protein is also important in the creation of RNA and DNA. Other roles of protein include, 50% of all dietary protein is used to make enzymes, which are then used in a number of functions. Protein plays a role in digestion, the regulation of sleep and ovulation. Protein is used to make hormones. Protein makes new cells, including new blood cells. Protein is used to create connective tissues as well as contracted muscle tissue. Used to make cell membranes and contributes to the cell matrix. Maintains the fluid balance. Maintains the pH balance of the blood. Plays a role in the immune function. If you are not getting enough protein, your body will send out messages that make you continue to eat until you do get enough. Source: Science Alert, Massey University. If you don't get enough protein during exercise, your body burns the carbohydrates first because fat and protein are not able to be burned fast enough. The higher intensity the workout, the faster the body will burn through the carbs. After the muscles burn through the carb stores, it will start turning toward the glycogen, the backup energy storage. After the workout is over, the muscles will continue to work toward muscle breakdown for up to 24 hours. If a new supply of protein is not given to the body, it will break down muscle tissue, leading to a loss of lean mass. Too much protein can hurt athletic performance, just like too little protein can be dangerous. Too much protein is bad for athletes and non-athletes alike. Too much protein for the athlete can deplete the glycogen in the muscles and liver. May lower endurance and maximum effort. May deplete serum glucose levels, leading to hypoglycemia. Too much protein overall, in addition to hurting athletic performance, too much dietary protein can cause some serious health problems as well. May increase the risk of some cancers. Increases the rate of calcium excretion, which can lead to a higher risk of osteoporosis. Reduces the absorption rate of vitamins, minerals, fiber and some phytochemicals. Increases the risk of kidney stones, calcium oxalate stones. Source: Quinn 2007. The right amount of protein. The right amount of protein can be determined by a number of factors, including your age, your activity level and your general health. Your doctor should be consulted before you make any major changes in your diet. However, you should know that most experts agree that the upper limit for protein intake per day is around 35% of your overall calories. Source: The American Heart Association. There are times when your protein needs will be bigger, but for the average, healthy person, this level is safe and healthy. Your age. From the moment that your cells start dividing deep within your mother's womb, you are using protein. As mentioned before, protein is vital to every cell in the body and plays a role in RNA and DNA, the genetic messengers that help determine who is who. Your mother will hopefully have increased her protein intake because you are both going to need lots of it. The human's need for protein is never higher than from the moment of birth to the 6th month of life, when a need for 2.2 grams of protein per kg of body weight is needed. Your need will slowly decline until it reaches a plateau at age 19. It will remain at this level, with some exceptions, until the age of 55, when the need will slightly increase once again. Your activity level: the more that you move around, the more protein you will need, up to a point. Bodybuilders use around 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kg of their body weight, but on the other end of the spectrum, a couch potato may only need 0.4 grams per kg of body weight. Your general health: for those who are healthy and well, the need for protein will remain even and steady. If they start training for an athletic event, their need may go up considerably. If they stop training, it may decrease. However, there are times when the protein needs can be changed because of health. A pregnant woman needs a minimum of 60 grams of protein per day and will need more if she is carrying twins. Source: Medio Consult Nutrition Services. A lactating mother will need slightly less, with a need of only 20 grams over her normal protein intake. People with HIV benefit from slightly increased protein intakes because it boosts the immune system, and people who have chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or emphysema benefit from using protein shakes because it gives them more protein without the bulk. Others who might do well with a protein boost anyone recovering from major illness or surgery, anyone who has experienced traumas, accidents or burns, anyone who is at risk for developing or is being treated for a bed sore. For many people who are in poor health, good nutrition might be difficult, making it necessary to supplement their protein intake. This can be done by using protein shakes, liquid protein supplement shots or protein bars. A liquid protein shot, like ProfectR from Protica, is a quick and easy way to get 25 grams of digestible protein in less than 3 ounces of liquid. It has only 100 calories, no fats and no carbohydrates, and comes in a number of flavors. The protein myths. Protein has a number of die-hard myths that should be dispelled. First, protein is not the reason that bodybuilders get huge. They get that way because of all-around good nutrition, genetics and lots of hard work. Second, protein is not a miracle food that never gets stored as fat in the body, and if you eat too much of it, you will gain weight. The perfect protein. The egg is considered to be the gold crown, the perfect protein source, and is the one against which all others are evaluated. It is complete, meaning that it has all 8 essential amino acids. It has over 6 grams of protein, less than 6 grams of fat, 1.6 grams of saturated fat, and only 0.5 grams of carbohydrates. It is also a source of branched-chain amino acids.